This is Tecno Camon 18 Premier, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, you will need to turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then at the control panel, find the shortcut that says nearby share. So let's see, here it is. Touch and hold at its icon. Then in order to activate the feature, switch this toggle on. From here, you can rename your device. If you want to, you can set up change and manage its visibility mode and select what network type you prefer to use for the file transfer. Now once everything is set up and is ready to be used, let's quickly test it out. So let's say I'll try sending the screenshot I just took on this Nokia phone. So as you can see, the screenshot was sent and received just fine. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.